In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show more than 50 emails at a time in your Gmail inbox. We all know how frustrating it can be to sift through countless pages of emails when you're trying to get things done efficiently. So, let's cut through the clutter and look at how you can expand that number to better suit your needs. First and foremost, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing in mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your main inbox page where, by default, Gmail displays up to 50 emails per page. Increasing this number can make it much easier to manage your emails, especially if you receive a high volume daily. To start adjusting the email display limit, head over to the top right corner of your Gmail screen where you'll see a small gear icon. This icon is your gateway to settings. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear from which you'll want to select the option that says See All Settings. This click will take you to a new page where all your customizable settings reside. Now that you're on the settings page, direct your attention to the top where you see various tabs. Click on the one labeled General. This tab houses a plethora of settings options you can fine-tune to optimize your Gmail experience. Scroll through the options until you reach the maximum page size section. Here, you'll notice a drop-down menu that defaults to displaying 50 conversations per page. To change this, click on the drop-down menu and you'll see a few more options available, 100 being the maximum. Select 100 to allow the display of more emails at once. Once you've chosen your preferred number, be sure to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll spot the Save Changes button. It's critical to click on this to ensure that all your adjustments are applied. If you miss this step, you'll find yourself right back at the start with all your carefully selected settings left unaltered. And there you have it. Now, when you navigate through your inbox, more emails will be displayed on one page, helping you manage your time and stay organized more efficiently. Remember, these changes aren't just about saving time. They're about creating an email environment tailored to your specific workflow and needs. If you ever need to revert these settings or want to try a different view, just follow the steps again and choose the option that works best for you. Keep tuning into our channel for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Google Tools and beyond. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.